The Mann Cup Top Fuel Motorcycle Championship battle moves to Darlington Dragway, South Carolina. It is time for qualifier number 1. Here comes the 19-time champion, Larry Spider-Man McBride. A very important race for the Trimtex Pingle Drag Specialties team as they look to keep pace with Dave Vantine in the championship hunt. Down 38 points coming in. Let's watch qualifier number 1. Hey Chuck, it's been hard to calm this bike down. What'd you see there?
Just too much on the primary, or just too much beans. Didn't turn it down enough, and too much horsepower is too much clutch, or too much clutch is not enough horsepower. It's a balance.
Sure. Good luck. They'll take it back to the pits. They'll make the necessary adjustments and get ready for qualifying session number 2. The good news for them, that was only the first qualifier. With that much horsepower, it's certainly easy to overpower the racetrack. Score 1 for Dave Vantine here in the early going. Much more coming this weekend, guys. Do please make sure that you like CycleDrag.com on Facebook and you are subscribed to Cycle Drag on YouTube for much, much more coming your way. Back in the pit area, Steve McBride, Larry McBride trying to figure this thing out. Larry, that was a very violent tire shake. What's the computer telling you?
Well, it wasn't so much tire shake, it was just too aggressive for the racetrack when we thought we were safe. So we was actually lighter than we were yesterday, the last round, but it's just one of them things, maybe we picked a bad spot in the track, which kind of started just to the right of the groove, so maybe that wasn't quite the right spot. We did drop half a pound of air, which could have hurt us a little bit. Might have been too much of a drop. Things seem the bike is really critical to air pressure, so we're thinking maybe that the half a pound was too much, and so we just kind of got to just go back and regroup, and we're going to change the tune up a little bit for the hot conditions. Just too much wheel speed too soon, and you smoke the tire. Nothing you can do about it. We got the tools to work. We just got to know when to use them.
What do you got Steve working on back here and taking a look at?
Now he's just making a new graft, for our timing graft, and just maybe start some stuff a little earlier than what we've been doing, and see if we can slow that wheel speed down a little bit earlier, and get the thing down the racetrack. Dave made a good pass, so we know it's definitely you should be able to go down the racetrack. So You know, and we, you know, maybe just a little bit too aggressive. My bike's got a ton of power, so it's very, very touchy. So we'll see. We're gonna slow it down, try to keep the G meter, hold his head up, and see if we can get him down the racetrack this time.
Good luck to you too. Top Fuel Motorcycle can be a bit of a chess match. Make sure you're subscribed to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Make sure you like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. We got much more coming from beautiful Darlington Dragway as this Man Cup Top Fuel battle intensifies.